In this video I continue the trip in my van along the east coast of Australia, show you some amazing landscapes and live a simple life in the back of my van.
The noodle soup is actually not bad. The van is on and I am ready to go.
I had been driving along the east coast of Australia, now I was on my way up north. Started my trip in Sydney, but now I had just passed the city of Newcastle.
Parked here about 15 kilometers north from the city called Newcastle. This place is actually called the Dark Point Aboriginal Place. And there were many Aboriginal people living here in this area thousands of years ago. How could the Aboriginal people live here? There's no water anywhere and it's really dry.
Studies show that Aboriginals have been in Australia for about 50,000 years and that they were among the first humans to migrate from Africa about 70,000 years ago. The Aboriginals survived on eating bugs, beetles and birds such as the cassowary. Most Aboriginal people went extinct after British people colonized Australia, and they also died from a disease called smallpox. I got into my van and crossed a small river on a ferry.
On the ferry.
The ferry across the river only took about 1 minute. I kept driving and I made it to a city called Seal Rocks, which is an incredible destination. Seal Rocks is one of the most secluded, untouched and beautiful beach spots on the New South Wales coast. It is located just a 3-hour drive north from Sydney.
Here at the place called Seal Rocks, and I'm having a tuna sandwich for lunch. My tuna sandwich tastes amazing, and I got some shade here from the back of my trunk.
In this area you also have some incredible landscapes and flowers.
Look at this view here. This is just 3 hours north from Sydney in New South Wales.
There is a scenic walk up to a lighthouse where there is a mountain gorge with water coming in through the mountains. This area is thought to have been created from volcanic activity millions of years ago. There are many lizards in all of Australia, and some of them can get up to a few meters long, including the tail.
The perfect camping spot, located just 300 kilometers north from Sydney.
This was the bluest water I'd ever been swimming in, and the temperature was at about 25 degrees Celsius.
Time to head to the next location. Yeah. Goodbye, Seal Rock. Here we have 7 Mile Beach. I'm on my way down there, and we'll see. I'm guessing that it's 7 miles long. It's a little bit boring to be by myself now, actually, but you gotta learn to have fun by yourself, I guess. Warning for sharks.
7 Mile Beach is a 13-kilometer long secluded beach with no people, perhaps because of the warning for sharks.
It's so hot here. Must be 30 something. Hurts to walk in the sand. Well, now I've seen that beach, time to go to the next place. Imagine all the people. I've been driving for another 30 minutes and this is the coastal city of Forster.
Forster is a coastal city in the state of New South Wales along the east coast of Australia with a population of 20,000 people. It is known for having incredible waters for surfing. Downtown Forster is located right next to the Forster main beach.
It's time to go again. Another 40-minute drive and then I will be in the next city.
It was Christmas and I kept driving.
I really don't think that I will ever eat spaghetti in tomato sauce from a can ever again for Christmas. But there's a first time for everything.
I kept driving to stop at the nice place for dinner.
I decided to make some food after all because the view is nice. I think I'm gonna make some pasta. Dinner is almost ready. I'm making some noodles and bacon. Gonna mix some bacon soup into the noodles. I'm alive, I'm here, I don't have to pay rent. The view is perfect. And I have food and water. That's all we need in life. The noodle soup is actually not bad. I don't put too much effort into cooking when I'm by myself.
I had parked for the night at an incredible place called the Crowdy Head. The Crowdy Head is a headland on the coast of New South Wales in Australia, located 7 kilometers from Harrington between Forster and Port Macquarie. There are only about 100 people living in this city. It was Christmas and I was all alone in my van, but I had a very incredible view.
Ho ho ho! This is probably the most strange Christmas I will ever celebrate. You better hurry up, tomorrow's Christmas Day. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.